5 hacks to learn or to be fluent in English or any other skill you want to be. The first point is start. You have heard that every journey starts with the first step. So if you want to speak a fluent English or you want to be fluent or perfect in any other skill, the first step is to start. Don't wait that you will be perfect, then you will start, because only when you start a journey, then you can reach. You can't reach a journey by thinking about it, by only thinking about it. So the first point is start. Do not hesitate. Hesitation is a state of mind. It is a byproduct of our thinking. Before starting any new job or any new process, our mind gives us negative thoughts that you can't start it, you are not worth it, you are not perfect to do that. So every time you feel that you are falling in this trap, there is only one remedy to stop hesitation, is take action. You have to take action to overcome the habit of hesitation. This is the only remedy to it. So do not hesitate to start any work, any skills or any process you want to achieve in your life. Third point is do not speak in the native language. If you want to fluent in English, stop thinking in your native language. The native language is a language we used to speak or think in 99.9% of the time. So stop thinking in your native language and start thinking in the language you want to learn or you want to be fluent. The hack for this is start your self-talks in English. Like if you are thinking something, think it in English. Like if I plan to go somewhere, plan that journey into your head in English. I know it will be difficult in the beginning, but more you practice it, more you will feel more comfortable and you will be fluent in that language by practicing it and again and again. Fourth point is find a partner. To be fluent in English, you need an environment. This environment can be provided in your office, can be in your school or in your home or anywhere you feel like. But to be fluent in English, you have to have a partner, a second person to whom you can speak in the language you want to learn. So find a partner. It can be your mom, it can be your dad, it can be your brother, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend or any other person you feel like to be comfortable with. So please find a partner to get good results, and it will give you results very fastly and very quickly. So find a partner. Fifth and the most important hack is practice. As you know, practice makes the man perfect or woman perfect or human being perfect. So practice is the key to attain any skills, to attain any level of perfection. So keep practicing again and again until you feel comfortable and until you feel that you are achieved or your decided level has been achieved or not. So practice, practice, practice and practice. Thanks.